morning, everyone. So today is Monday, and of course starts to do the house chores again. Especially we're so busy. We're, we're often busy actually. Oh, here's our cat. This is Bane. Okay, I'm going to do the dishes again. So guys, my parcel had arrived today, and I'm gonna unbox it. This is for my hair actually. So let's unbox this parcel. Where's the scissor? Oh here. I'm staying here outside of our house because it's really hot inside, and we're actually using the notebooks again. Oh, I think yeah, it's good naman. This is actually for my hair, and I ordered it because I wanna try this product for the hair. For they said it's for fixing hair and dry, but let's try it if it's good for the hair. Oh yeah, this is Sakura Botox Curtain Hair Mask. It's hair mask, and I'm gonna check the smell if it's good later. And this is the Botox. This is the Botox. So how to use it? There's no instruction here. And here how to use it. I will try it for my hair because my hair is so really frizzy and dry, and I will try this product. This is the hair mask. So oh my gosh, it's very hard to open, huh? Okay. Not bad. Smells not that bad. It's not actually really smells good. It's quite like you can't tell the smells, right? So I rinse my hair, and I'm gonna try this product, the hair mask. I will try it now. I hope it's it will help my hair I hope it will help my hair to reduce the frizziness and dryness. Okay, I will leave this for almost 20 minutes, and so I have time to do the other chores. I'm gonna cover using this tool.